Hello, and welcome to another laptop salvage video. Before we get started, make sure that the laptop charger and other cables are not plugged into the computer. Don't forget to remove any media, external media readers, or external drives. Check to see if the laptop is powered down. It is recommended to place the laptop on an electrostatic discharge mat and to use the proper tools suggested by the computer's manufacturer. In the last video, we removed the coin cell battery, the power connector port, touchpad, and audio board. In this video, we remove the speakers, display assembly, display back cover, and the motherboard. Removing the speakers. Disconnect the speaker cable from the connector on the system board. When removing the speaker, the audio daughter board flat flexible cable must be disconnected from the system board. Okay, very good. Remove the adhesive tapes that secure the speaker cable to the computer. Lift the speakers from the computer. Removing display assembly. Remove the M2X3 screw and lift the metal bracket that secures the wireless LAN card on the system board. Disconnect the wireless LAN cables. Remove the two M2X3 screws and lift the metal bracket that secures the display cable on the computer. Lift the latch on the front flip connector to disconnect the cable. Disconnect the sensor cable on the system board. First, I'm going to try to get my thumbnail in there. Pull gently on it. There we go. Now we're going to open up the palm rest. And we're going to lay the laptop down flat on the mat. To remove the display assembly, remove the 6 M2.5X5 screws that secure the display assembly to the computer. Lift the display assembly from the computer. Using a plastic scribe, pry the upper edge of the display back cover and continue prying in clockwise direction throughout the outer edge of the display cover. To remove the system board, remove the 5 M2X3 screws that secure the system board on the palm rest assembly. Careful of the adhesive. To remove metal bracket on the system board, remove the 2 M2X3 screws on the metal bracket that secures the system board. Lift the metal bracket off the system board. Lift the system board off the palm rest assembly. And there, we have removed the motherboard. Hi, JP here with Swing Computers. Thank you for watching, and if you learned something, give us a like if you did. This laptop salvage series will cover several different laptop models, so be sure to subscribe to our channel. This is the last video for the Latitude 3190 2-in-1. In the next videos, we're going to be taking apart the Latitude 5411. Until then, don't forget to rescue, reuse, and refurbish.